So let's solve our problem. How many sections would we need to cover all the people who went to the show? 428 is our total tickets, and there 64 is the number of seats in a section. So what we are looking for is the number of sections. We're going to write out our steps. Serve cheese burgers, really. Okay, so we are going to write out our multiples of 64. Now, I can tell right now, just by looking, I'm going to have to write several multiples because I know if 64 does not go into 4 and it does not go into 42. So I'm going to have to write my multiples until I get close to 428. Okay, so 64 times 3 is 1819. 64 times 4, and I should be writing these out as I get them. 192, 16, 25, 64 times 5 is, 6 times 5 is 32. There we go. 320. Let's see. That was 5. Let's do, remember, I know that sometimes I say you can stop at 5, but look, 320 is 100 away from 428, so we're going to have to keep going. 64 times 6 is 36, 38. 384, we're getting closer. And let's do 64 times 7 and see where we get. 28, 42, 44. So we see here that going all the way to our 7th multiple is too big. So we need to choose our 6th multiple. So if we divide, 64 goes into 428, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, minus 384. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 6. Oops. 12 minus 8 is 4. Sorry. And 0. Okay, I'm going to check. Is 44 less than 64? Yes. I'm going to bring down. Well, I have nothing left to bring down, which means my R is now my remainder. So let's make sure we answered the question. The question was, how many sections do they need to fit all of the ticket holders? Well, if we have 6 sections, we will have 44 people that aren't in a seat or that aren't in a section. So do we need to use the remainder, lose the remainder, or add one? So the actual question was, how many sections do you need? Well, we don't say we need 6 sections with a remainder of 44. That wouldn't be necessary. So we're not going to use it. Are we going to lose it? Are we going to say they only need 6 sections? Well, that would be kind of rude to the 44 people who bought tickets and didn't have a seat. So we're not going to lose it. So it sounds like we're going to add 1, which means they need 7 sections in order to hold all the ticket holders.